I am David Ryan. I am Sierra Ryan's father. And I'm currently residing in Goose Bay, Labrador, and I'm there as an air traffic controller while Sierra's at school here.
And I'm Wendy Ryan, Sierra's mother, and we are the parents of our third child, and we thought that perhaps we would try the experience of Nancy Campbell for Sierra, which has been challenging and a huge learning experience for her and for us.
Little background, we have lots of friends that have had their children go to Nancy Campbell, and it's been very positive. The results that we've seen in the children and the things that the parents have said about their experience with Nancy Campbell, and we just felt that giving Sierra the best opportunity would be to send her here to Nancy Campbell. She's only done one semester so far, and I would say that academically I've seen huge increases in her capacity and what she's doing and learning based on what I would have expected to see in the public school.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we really appreciate the small class sizes and the ease that we can communicate with the school, the casual kind of attitude towards interacting with us, and when we visit the school, we're so comforted by the environment here, how creative it looks and open, and we're very, very grateful too for Sierra to experience the interactions and company of students from all over the world, to form friendships with these other students. And we were so pleasantly surprised when we found out that she was making efforts to learn another language simply because several of her friends were from another country, and so this was this spontaneous learning and enthusiasm for learning that we had really hoped for her.
Yeah. I was amazed at the diversity I see when I come to the school, and the interactions of all of the kids, and the joy I see. There's everyone is moving with a purpose, and appears to be enjoying life very much.
It has been challenging for us to have our youngest, and in grade 9, to go away for school, but it's very comforting to know that the teachers and staff, the residential advisors, are caring for our daughter and ensuring that she's safe and that she's happy, and that they're very available to us and willing to consult and help us all of us together to think of the best way to strengthen the environment for Sierra to bring forth her talents and skills. And although it's just been the first semester, we look forward to and are excited about her future. See a very bright future for her that this will encourage and assist her with.
That's good. Oh, it's really good.